Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the 5th week of Lent, on the 1st week of April. We are moving towards the end of the Lenten season. Next week, we shall enter into Holy Week, the most important week of our faith, as we reflect on the passion, death, and resurrection of Christ. It is both the darkest week, but the brightest moment of our faith. We begin the Holy Week with Palm Sunday on April 10. Luke chapter 19 reports of the triumphal entry of Jesus from Bethphage to Jerusalem. We shall remember this with the blessing of the palms, which will take place in all Masses towards the end of the Mass. On Holy Tuesday, April 12, let me invite you to join our Parish Lenten Recollection, both online and on-site at 7:30 in the evening. Our recollection facilitator, Reverend Father John Baran, will reflect on the theme, Synodality, Journeying Together. Priest will be available for confessions. On Holy Wednesday, Holy Thursday, and Good Friday, April 13, 14, and 15, there will be whole day confessions in the shrine from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. On Holy Thursday, April 14, the Mass of the Lord's Supper is at 5 p.m. We shall remember Jesus having his last meal with his disciples, as recorded in Mark chapter 14. Then he washes the feet of his disciples, as reported in John chapter 13. We will not organize a parish visita iglesia, but we encourage family visita iglesia for the adoration of the Blessed Sacrament in the altar of repose, which we will prepare in the shrine. On Good Friday, April 15, there will be an early Stations of the Cross around the parish at 4:30 in the morning. The celebration of the Lord's Passion and Death will take place at 3 in the afternoon. Then, the procession of the Santo Entierro will take place at 5:30 in the afternoon. The Easter Vigil will take place on April 16 at 8 in the evening. Then towards the end of the night vigil, the Sugat will take place inside the church. Let us accompany Jesus in his last moment on earth by reading Mark chapter 11 to 16. That is your performance task for the Holy Week. By doing so, ordinary people as we are will transform us into extraordinary people through Jesus' resurrection.